Alright, welcome to my video. Miles White here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to make your first dollar through affiliate marketing. Okay, how you can make your first dollar through affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is the first time you're watching my video, please, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload videos on this channel. All right, on my videos I do purely affiliate marketing, and I bring you information that help you to do affiliate marketing and to do affiliate marketing with results, because this is what I do. All right, and I make money doing affiliate marketing. And I tell you that affiliate marketing is about the easiest way for anybody to create an online business that pays you consistently. All right, it is about the easiest way, and you have nothing to lose. Okay, you have nothing to lose, because in affiliate marketing you don't need to invest your money. All that you need to do is to get the necessary training on how you can promote those products on the internet. All right, it's as simple as that. In other words, affiliate marketing is the best form of business out there that you can create online and begin to crush it. All right, now we're going to be looking at how to make your first dollar through affiliate marketing in this video, and I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to do this, and I'm going to try as much as I can to make this video a very simple one for you, because this is what I do on my videos. I make my tutorials as simple as possible so that you can grab it and go on the internet and make more research. Okay, now I started with affiliate marketing with nobody teaching me. All right, everything I got to know about affiliate marketing, I got to know through YouTube, and I got to know through Google. All right, and I bought one very course that helped me by the hand, and showed me how to do what I'm doing right now and do it successfully. All right, now the first step towards making your first dollar through affiliate marketing is to choose an affiliate marketing program. All right, choose an find a program, find an affiliate marketing program. All right, what is an affiliate marketing program? An affiliate marketing program is simply a platform where affiliate products are listed, a platform where affiliate programs are listed. And when you get to such platforms like ClickBank, expertnia.com, JVZoo, Mars Bounty. And let me tell you this, if you're in Nigeria and you're watching me right now and you want to make your first dollar online through affiliate marketing, please join expertnia.com. All right, expertnia.com have this list of affiliate products that anybody can promote and earn affiliate commissions. And I tell you, expertnia.com, the commissions on expertnia.com are quite amazing. They are quite high. All right, and they are all, it's encouraging. All right, so I'm going to leave this a link, a sign up link to expertnia.com below this video. All right, I want you to click on that link and go register into expertnia.com and promote product on that platform. And then if you are in outside Nigeria, you can sign into places like ClickBank. You have Mars Bounty, you have JVZoo, you have Warrior Plus. These are platforms, these are all affiliate platforms that anybody could go sign in and promote product on that platform and make affiliate commissions. They are as simple as that. All right, and you don't need money to register, to sign up to places like ClickBank or JVZoo or Mars Bounty. You don't need money to start. All right, all you need is the signing up is free. All right, the signing up is quite free for you. All right, now step number two is step number two is to find a product. Find a product on that platform and promote. Find a product. All right, when you get to an affiliate marketing platform, you have programs that ranges from how to make money online. All right, you have health product, you have fitness product, you have fashion product, you have business online business builder product, you have courses. All right, there's nothing you look for on, there is no product that you look for on affiliate program that you don't find. They are just there, and you are just going to find a product that resonates with you and promote that product. Get a product that you know that you can confidently market online, and pick on that product, all right, to promote that product. It's as simple as that. All right, now the number 3 step is to get your affiliate link. Get an affiliate link. What is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is simply a trackable link, all right, that could be tracked to you. This link, every time somebody click on that link and make a purchase, all right, it is traceable to you that you are the that such a person bought using your link, and you're just going to get your commission. All right, and don't tamper with your list, your link, your affiliate link. Don't tamper with it. Leave it as you got it from the affiliate platform, so that you don't miss you don't lose your commission. All right, now having gotten your affiliate link, what you do is this: you go to social media platforms like your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You go place your links on there. Go there, place your link, create content, and leave your link within your content. And I tell you, folks are your audience, they're gonna click on that link, and you're just gonna make affiliate commission. All right, affiliate marketing is as simple as that. All right, and then over time, as your site grows and as your experiences grows, then you can get into more advanced form of affiliates marketing. All right, now if you want to do affiliate marketing and you don't know how to start, like I said earlier, that the only thing involved in affiliate marketing is to get the training. Okay, now if you want to get the training, a perfect training, a proven training, a fail-proof training, one training that I know took me by the hand and showed me how to do affiliate marketing and do it with results. I'm going to leave a link below this video called the 72 IG implementation system, which simply means the 72 hours income generator system. All right, this system helps you to do affiliate marketing, set up your affiliate marketing business in a matter of days and begin to rake in your commissions. All right, this is the very training that I took that showed me everything that I need to know about affiliate marketing, and I'm leaving the link below this video. I want you to click on that link and just go get the training. It's as simple as that, and I'm going to leave the link to expertnia.com. If you're in Nigeria or you're within Africa, you can go click on that link, sign up with expertnia.com, and promote hot digital products on that platform. All right, it's as simple as that, and that is how you make your affiliate commissions. Thank you for being with me to the end of my video. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. My videos come up every Tuesday and every Friday. Thank you for being there. Thank you.